Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer and spiritual teacher. Welcome to the episode focused on using emotional freedom techniques to address self-confidence issues. Today, we'll explore how EFT, also known as tapping, can help you overcome barriers and boost your self-assurance. Whether you struggle with self-doubt in professional settings, social interactions, or personal endeavors, EFT offers a powerful tool for transformation. What is self-confidence? First of all, self-confidence is essential for achieving goals, building relationships, and facing challenges with resilience. However, many individuals experience self-doubt, which can manifest as fear or failure, also negative self-talk or avoidance of opportunities. These issues often stem from past experiences, limiting beliefs, or social pressures. EFT is a holistic healing technique that combines elements from Eastern medicine and psychology, and it involves tapping on specific meridian points on the body while focusing on the problem at hand. So let's learn something new today. This process helps to balance energy and reduce emotional intensity associated with negative thoughts and beliefs. So begin by identifying the specific situation or thoughts that trigger feelings of low self-confidence. Just sense that and create a setup statement that acknowledges the issue while affirming self-acceptance and worthiness, of course. For example, even though I feel inadequate in social situations, I deeply and completely accept myself. So, tap on following meridian points while repeating key phrases related to your self-confidence issue. Eyebrow. This self-doubt. Side of eye. I choose to release it. Under eye. I'm worthy and capable. Under nose. I trust in my abilities. Chin. I embrace confidence. Keep breathing. Collarbone. I'm becoming more confident. Underarm. I release fear of judgment. Top of head. I'm worthy of success. So we will repeat this. Eyebrow. This self-doubt. Side of eye. I choose to release it. Under eye. I'm worthy and capable. Under nose. I trust in my abilities. Chin. I embrace confidence. Collarbone. I am becoming more confident. Underarm. I release fear of judgment. Top of head. I'm worthy of success. And once again, eyebrow. This self-doubt. Side of eye. I choose to release it. Under eye. I'm worthy and capable. Under nose. I trust in my abilities. Chin. I embrace confidence. Collarbone. I'm becoming more confident. Underarm. I release fear of judgment. Top of head. I'm worthy of success, and we will finish by tapping our wrists. After completing a tapping sequence, check your feelings. Consistency is key to appreciate the full benefits of EFT. Shake your hands and consider integrating tapping into your daily routine, especially before challenging situations or when negative thoughts arise. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your mindset and increased self-confidence. And thank you for joining me today as we explore the transformation power of EFT in overcoming self-confidence issue. So, by practicing these techniques regularly and addressing underlying emotional blocks, you can cultivate a strong sense of self-worth and embrace new opportunities with confidence. And remember, you have the ability to rewrite limiting beliefs and empower yourself to live authentically. For more resources on using EFT, visit my website and subscribe to my podcast for future episode. I'm here to support you on your journey to greater self-confidence and fulfillment. Until next time, keep tapping and believing in your potential. And also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.